Hello, everybody. I've just received some mail and I am excited to open this. This is from Aloha Creations, and she made me a beautiful journal that's inside of this box, but I had to video the box before I open it. I just want to sit here and look at it for a little while and read the things that are on this book page. All of these things that she put on here. I have our addresses covered with little pieces of paper, but I have never received a package this well decorated before. So I'm not going to open it quite yet. I'm going to figure out how I want to do this because I want to save a lot of the things that are here. But I had to share this with you. Isn't it just beautiful? So I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description box. It's Aloha Creations, and she has beautiful, beautiful journals. Wait till you see the journal that's inside of this box. It's just gorgeous. I can't wait. I just can't wait. But some other mail that I received today is from Scrappy Bird. I like Scrappy Bird. So I thought I would share those items too. So I ordered some more of the little flower fairy cards. They're miniature. I thought they were cute. I wanted to get them. She had Christmas ephemera. New. It had just come out like within 24 hours. I tried to grab some. She was sold out. She has like the most amazing things in her Etsy shop. This is, these are like little postage stamps, creative postage stamps that I thought would be cute to use in my journaling. They're botanical postage stamps. They're not real postage stamps. They're made to look like postage stamps. They're very cute too. And then there were Monet, are they called washi stickers? These are called deco stickers, I guess. They seem to be vellum. I have to figure out how to use them all. Now that I have all of these wonderful things, I'm going to take out just a few to show. Very pretty. More botanicals. Oh. So that's just a few that are here. So I wanted to share those with you. And then she has some fabrics that you can, like small samples of some fabrics. And so these are the two that I ordered. I thought I would try maybe doing some snippets on this. And this I thought I would use for reinforcing the journals. It's fleeing from me. I can't think of what it's called. The spine, to reinforce the spines of journals on the inside. Okay, so that was my mail share for today. But This box. Isn't it just beautiful? Aloha, I cannot wait to open it. Thank you, everybody.